Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Samsung Galaxy A15 screen won't turn on issue. So to fix this issue, first of all swipe down and here click on this icon and then click on restart. And after restarting your mobile your problem will be fixed, but if it doesn't fix your problem then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and click on reset. And here scroll down and click on reset all settings. Now here again click on reset settings to confirm and then enter your lock screen password here.